Well, I'm replacing my cables. I just need one more. I had dual cables on here, battery cables, because when you pull a load on your batteries, like when the freezer starts, it has less resistance if you have big wires. So I've been replacing with these 1/0 wires, and I don't know if that's bigger than 2 6/0. I think it is. But anyway, it looks better, and I think that the 1/0 wire probably big enough. 2/0 better. I got that out at my shed on my golf cart batteries. But I thought you guys might like to look at that. Yeah, I made these cables, and I didn't have them crimped good enough, so I went back and smashed them a second row on there really hard, because they were a little bit loose out there on that one deal, other set of batteries. So I bought 2 AUG for out there, 2/0, and put the 2/0s out there, and then brought these 1/0s in here. I need to get one more 1/0 cable. You want them all to be the same size, so they'll charge the same and pull down the same. Alright, well, that's about it for now. Thanks for watching.